Hi, my name is Stephanie, and I just finished the Free Mama course last night, and it is amazing. If you are on the fence about joining the course, it's definitely worth it, and it's definitely worth it just alone to hear all of the knowledge that Lauren has, all the systems and contracts and things that she has in place on the course are super helpful setting up your business step by step, and it really gives you the confidence to go out and start your own business. And Lauren is amazing, and especially if you can do the group coaching or even private coaching, she is very motivational and she will give you the kick in the pants that you need to start your own business and do what you need to provide for your family. I am so happy that I am done now, and I'm searching for clients and networking and meeting people, and I have the confidence to talk to people about my business, and it's amazing. I'm so happy that I did this.